next presenter will be Sword Health. How do we put value in the context?
We're trying to transform St. Louis from flyover country to fly to country. And we have 16 companies that have flown to St. Louis from 5 countries around the world to access the strengths that we have here in St. Louis. This is an opportunity to show off St. Louis as a powerhouse in healthcare and to use that as a magnet to attract some of the best innovators from around the world to come to St. Louis.
It's a connection with the innovation community, so startups around the world.
We find that global innovation finds its way to the East Coast and the West Coast fairly easily. But here in the middle of the country, we have to be more proactive, more deliberate about bringing the best innovation here to St. Louis. And we've been able to leverage the strengths of our healthcare systems and our companies here to create a magnet that attracts some of the really cutting-edge innovators from countries around the world.
Our mission, in my view, is to improve the quality of care of senior adults.
When you look at the East Coast and the West Coast, as they've actually discussed in our luncheon this afternoon, it's I think 2 or 3x relative to the East West Coast in terms of the total opportunity from a holistic community perspective. You have the opportunity to really genuinely find out about what other companies are doing in the innovative space and partner with them.
Yeah, partner, collaborate, connect, and really bring innovation to the local market. Yeah, it's fabulous.
We want to see real healthcare improvement for the population of St. Louis. That's what ultimately this is about, having innovations that can keep people healthy, prevent diseases, detect diseases earlier so we can keep people healthier, keep them out of the hospital. And we've seen some amazing innovations of diagnostics and artificial intelligence and virtual reality, all these technologies that we see in other areas of our lives that are emerging, converging with healthcare.